All right, part two of my drabby doors, refinishing them in white. Show you what I have so far. Have all the doors primed, total of 3 coats of primer. Looking very good. Not a lot of wait time between the coats due to the Fuji system that I'm using. Using at about 3/4 of the power, which is about 7 psig. Fuji had a little mistake last time. Got my system back, the right one. Had the Fuji Q5 Platinum. As you can see, actually I boosted up my air. My air is up to 100%. Forgot about that, but as you do your different finishes, you'll have to learn to play with all the different settings that Fuji has on their system. So what I'm using for my paint is Sherwin-Williams Pro Block, using 20 ounces of primer and 4 ounces of water. That's giving me my right consistency, my right viscosity, and everything is working how it should. Really no overspray on anything. My body, the ground. What I am using on my sprayer, and excuse my camera, this is my new Evo Pro gimbal. Make the videos a little more stable, just got to get used to it. So what I'm doing is I'm about at a number 1.75 setting, and my fan pattern is about 75% also. I am spraying horizontally with these doors. So just starting at the top, going left to right, overlapping about 50%. And I have gotten no runs, drips, anything. It's coming out really good. So that's part two. I'm gonna let these dry, and what I'm gonna do is clean my gun and spray some actual finish paint. Thank you for watching.